I would definitely recommend the workshop to someone like me. Who is someone I work in the corporate world, right? And over the years, I started to feel like a bit of a robot, and that there were parts of myself that I'd had to kind of shut off to succeed in that corporate environment. That's what brought me through some wandering path to circling, and I'm really starting to feel much more connected to my authentic self and my voice and my values through this practice. So, yes, I would absolutely recommend it to someone like me. My name's Kat. I work in communications in the energy sector. The weekend was really nourishing for me to be able to explore those deeper human connections and that part of myself that I probably have to shut off Monday to Friday. Mm. Of course, the weekend in general was a very positive and accepting space, but it was great to see that all parts of ourselves are welcome there, even the gnarly, crunchy, darker parts that we might not bring to other interactions. Yeah. Mm, it was really striking for me at the weekend to see Dermot, Ruth, and Ben, the facilitators, model the behaviors that we talked about and the authenticity that we were trying to arrive at across the course of the weekend. I remember a moment almost of conflict between one of the facilitators and another participant that that ended beautifully, was so real and authentic that really stayed with me. It was really amazing for me to see how vulnerable they were at times and how honest and authentic they were at times. Yeah, that I don't see that in my daily life often. So that was a beautiful thing to me. Yeah. I'd love to be able to get to that level of honesty and authenticity. I'm still reflecting on what I learned at the weekend and how I might integrate that into my life and my work. Um, I think what's been interesting for me this week has been talking to other people in my life about the weekend and seeing the sort of level of curiosity and interest. What that tells me is there's actually a lot of people around me who are looking for that deeper connection. And I perhaps hadn't realized because I probably move around the world assuming that intimacy is not always welcome. So that's been refreshing for me, and that opened some doors for me in those relationships that weren't previously open.